Laugh, and the worlds laugh with you. Weep, and you weep alone. For the sad and old earth must borrow its mirth, but has trouble enough of its own. Sing, and the hills will answer. See, it is lost on the air. The echoes bound to a joyful sound, but shrink from voicing care. Rejoice, and men will seek you. Grieve, and they turn and go. They want full measure of all your pleasure, but they do not need your woe. There are none to decline your nectared wine, but alone you must drink life's gall. Feast, and your halls are crowded. Fast, and the world goes by. Succeed and give, and it helps you live, but no man can help you die. There is room in the halls of pleasure for a large and loudly train, but one by one we must all file on through the narrow ale of pain, through the narrow ale